Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I have a funeral to go to this afternoon, and actually it starts in like 2 hours. So I'm going to just kind of like whiz through all of the products that I usually use and do, that kind of thing. The reason why I have purple on it instead of black, there's a couple of reasons for this. One is the girl that we are doing the celebration of life for today was only 15. And her favorite color was purple. I looked for a pair of like black slacks to put on so that I wasn't wearing, I don't have any like purple pants. I have like 2 skirts with purple in it, but it wasn't the same shade of purple that I'm wearing. This is a cool toned purple, whereas the skirts were like a warm toned purple, and it wouldn't have matched. So I decided to forego the purple. On the bottom, and the other color was black, but they asked people to wear like purple and black to celebrate her. And needless to say, I don't have any black slacks, like none. I have one pair of like black pants that look like something I would have worn in the 80s. They've got like ruching down the side. They're really weird. I think I need to just get rid of them. I don't think I've ever worn them. I think it was something somebody gave me, and I took a look at them and I went, ugh. So I did a live stream picking my makeup kind of stuff today. A breakout right here that just showed up before I got a shower, so that's fun. And I don't know, there's a lot going on. I'm gonna open this. I'm hot, I just got out of the shower. I still have to do my hair. I didn't even paint my nails yet. I was gonna paint my nails purple. I have the nail polish pulled out. I haven't painted my nails. I might not even paint my nails because I'm in such a rush. I've had so much stuff going on today. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Welcome to my channel. This is a chit chat get ready with me doing a purple eye look for a memorial service. My brain is in like a million places. I'm an admin on a job group for our local area. Even though I can't find work, I do help other people find jobs. And my friend Amber is also the other admin for the group. We run the group together. So I've been training 2 moderators the past few days since her daughter died Thursday afternoon. And so that's been trying. And then there was, I've been up since about 6:30. Got about 5 hours of sleep last night, maybe. So kind of running on fumes. I mean, I got some sleep, but I think I went to bed at almost 1 o'clock this morning. My dad was even up till 12:30 before he went to bed. We got stuck watching stuff on Facebook. That happens. So, I mean, it is what it is. And so anyways, I haven't had a whole lot of sleep. I've been up since 6:30. This is the 7th video I have recorded just today. I recorded a battle of this morning. I did a 2 looks, 2 palettes at the same time. So there's 2. I did a deodorant recap video on some natural deodorants that I've been testing out, and I talked about 2 new ones that I bought. And so that was 1, 2, that's 3 right there. I recorded my July Shop My Stash recap video, so that was video number 4. I recorded a video clip for my nail growth update. It'll be the 3rd video clip that I've had for that. Why does that one side look awfully orange and the other side looks fine? I mean, I did just put skincare on, so my face will look tacky. I didn't set it. I don't know. Let's see what else. I did my live stream Shop My Stash at noon. Did that for like an hour and a half, and then I went back out to my desk and took care of some emails and went to start editing a video, and my damn phone kept flashing and I couldn't figure out what was going on. And come to find out, there was drama in the Facebook group that I run So I got on to check that out, and it was issues with a guy that I had issues with yesterday, and I ain't having any of it. I'm tell you that right now. About ready to boot him and the other guy out of the group that are causing issues that are acting like 2-year-olds. And so I had to deal with that. I finally got something to eat. I had somebody that had worked with one of those 2 guys I was having issues with call me. So I spent like 10 minutes on the phone with him instead of eating. And then next thing I knew, I'm looking at the time, I'm like, holy crap, where'd my day go? I got 1 video edited today. And it's uploading. It might even be done by now, I don't know. I haven't checked on it since I got out of the shower. Because I'm not talking about the products that I'm using, I will have to link them down in the description box. I mean, you can see what I'm using, but I figured if I'm going to be doing purple on my eyes, I might as well do something neutral on my face. Looks a little better. I'm going to be using the Morphe 39S palette, which is such a gem palette. I'm going to go into Purple Majesty at the bottom. Oh lovely, I've got creases on my eyelid. Go away. I don't have time for you. I don't even know what time it is right now, but it was after 4. And I want to leave by 5. Alright, Purple Majesty is a little bit too warm for the shirt that I'm wearing, but it's okay. It's just been a very busy day, kind of stressful. And this is one of these pressed pigments out of this palette. And I did talk about this in my live stream. I do have a new eyeshadow palette coming. This is not the palette that I picked out for my July Shop My Stash, but I knew that I would need a purple eyeshadow to do a look with for this memorial service, so I knew I was going to grab this one anyway, so it's not like it's a big deal. If you want to call me a cheater for using different products than what's in my Shop My Stash, that's fine. I am not going to argue. But I did specifically say I was not pulling a palette for my July Shop My Stash because I have a palette coming that will be labor intensive to do swatches for it, a swatch comparison video for it, a first impression like random.org makeup look with it, which is what I plan on doing. And I also plan on like doing 6 looks with this palette, not 10, not 2, not 4, but 6. So that's 3 separate videos there just with that, plus the initial makeup look, which is 4, and then the 2 swatch videos, so that's, 6 videos right there. I'm going to use the same brush and go into this shade Posh Boss. It's this like grayish purple shade. And I'm lightly dusting that over the top of my brow and the top of that one color. I don't want it too dark up there. But the mom doesn't wear makeup at all. I offered to do her hair and throw some purple on her eyelids, and she does not. She's not a girly girl. She doesn't wear makeup. She's never liked makeup. I don't even think she wore makeup for her wedding. To be honest, it's just not who she is, which is fine. I've known Amber since we were in middle school. She was a year behind me. This is weird. One of the shadows that I just went to pick up, it's like got this weird film on it, and I just scratched it with the back of the brush. I'll have to zoom in during editing, but it's this shade up here. It's got this weird like film on it, and I don't even think I've used that shade yet. So I just tried to stick a brush in it, and it really wouldn't pick up anything. So I'm going to use my finger, and I'm using the wrong finger, I know. But it's the finger I stuck in the eyeshadow, and it's the finger that has shadow on it. See, there's a dark base to it, which is what I want. But it also has like multi-dimension glitter in it. Let me see now that it's like weird. It's like got a very little weird pickup on the brush. Like it's kind of picking up product, but not really. I just stabbed myself in the eye. And I got glitter in my eye. Oh well. Everybody needs a sparkly eyeball. Okay, maybe not everybody. I'm gonna go in, and that was the Dazzling shade. I'm gonna go on into Rocks On, just the black with glitter. I'm not mad at it. I'm kind of trying to outline that other shade. And that's dry. I'm gonna get a brush wet, and I'm gonna go back into that other shade, that Dazzling shade, and I loaded it up. With my eyelids still wet, I'm gonna go back into that shadow in the pan and press over that shadow. For the inner part of my eye, I'm going to go into the Lavender shade, which is kind of like a topper. It doesn't have a whole lot of pigment to it. I'm also carrying it under my eye. And then I'm going to pop it in my inner corner. And I might go back over it here in just a second with my finger, just to see if I can build it up just a little bit. I'm also going to put it on the brow bone. Okay, it built up a little bit with my finger. Alright, I think I'm going to do black in my line, my waterline, upper and bottom waterline. This is the Tarte Sex Kitten. And then over that, I'm going to put one of mine. This is a Cult. It's like a purpley silver. kind of figured it would show up better over a black base, and it is. Alright, mascara. And of course I got a big old blob of mascara on the inner part of my eye. I have mascara marks on my pinky from my lashes. Okay, is that everything? No, brows. That's the Model Co brow, double brow, whatever. Okay, I think I'm done. And it took me 24 minutes total from start to finish on this, so maybe I have 10 minutes that I can spend on my hair. So, thank you for watching the Get Ready With Me. I know there was some spots where I didn't talk a whole lot, but I've just got kind of a lot of stuff going on in my head. This is kind of more of a dark look for me. I will try and take some pictures. I know the one side doesn't look as pointy as the other one. You know, I'm just going to a memorial service. I think the one side is also larger, so why don't I just, you know, take the brush that I used and try and make this side a little bigger to compensate. There we go. It's almost as fat as the other one now. Anyways, I will take a couple really quick pictures and then curl my hair and then throw my shoes on and I'm out the door. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the low energy. I just got a lot of stuff going on. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.